For 2-yard loss.
2nd and 7. Fakes it to Starks. Now going for the deep ball. Nelson is there, and he's got it for the touchdown.
You're going to see Rodgers in the pocket. He feels a little pressure inside. He slides to his right, and that's when he finds Davante Adams up that right sidelines. And you see the job that he's able to do against Jeremy Lane, and Davante Adams, and visiting with Aaron Rodgers yesterday, boy, he really likes this young guy and what he's been able to do this year. Healthier from where he was a year ago, and in the last 3 to 4 ball games,